Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. It's Nahama here. Today is going to be different. I am going to share 2 different leads in this video, which is awesome, and they are both high paying that I know you will love. Please go ahead and subscribe below so that way you don't miss out on any of my leads. Let's get started. So we're talking about Chanel, a well-known company. So join the remote at-home Chanel customer service representative and provide elevated customer service for Chanel's customers via all communication channels like phone, email, and chat. All right, guys, this is very exciting. Qualifications: you need a high school diploma or equivalent. Some college degree is preferred. 3 years of customer service experience is a good way to qualify, and contact center experience. Compensation: it's $20 hourly, 3-week training, opportunity for growth, and they currently hire in 17 states, which is amazing, guys. So let's talk about the other company. We have Transcom here. Now join the Transcom family as a remote technical support advisor, all from the comfort of your own home. That's exciting, guys. Who doesn't want to work from home? Now the pay for this particular position is $13.93 hourly, including a performance-based incentive each month, which is $3 per hour extra, which is great. Now you must be 18 years of age or older, have a high school diploma or equivalent, ability to successfully pass their criminal background check, ability to work full-time 32 hours up to 40 hours a week, and they're hiring in 26 states, guys. So find out more about these 2 jobs in the job description below. Thank you so much for your time, and go ahead and apply now. What are you waiting for? If you do need a job, please go ahead and apply and share this with someone who might need one. All right, thank you so much for your time. Bye.